Good morning. Good morning. Got a couple minutes before market open. So first, I want to just give God thanks and praises for waking me up this morning, just giving me the ability to trade, to help people make money, to make money, and also, just to have fun with my wife as well. So with that, guys, I'm grateful to just be able to trade with my wife.
Good morning.
And let's get straight into it. There's a couple plays that's happening this morning. I like Tesla. If Tesla breaks, Tesla pull back in, which I like. I want to see right now. Tesla is already above
Mem-
what you would have had Tesla for puts though.
no. I had looked up AMD. I see AMD is up.
Also, we have Mara that's pushing up. The market itself, guys, we had news today. So with news, unemployment came in and unemployment was lower than usual, right? Or lower than expected. So the market itself overall should be green, but we're gonna wait for pullbacks. We're gonna wait for certain things to happen. All right. There's no rush into trading. I am looking at Tesla though. Okay. I am looking at Tesla. Um, Out the gate. So if Tesla breaks above day high, then I'll be looking at Tesla for calls. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Don't understand why I don't see your
All right, so market is open right now. Tesla is pushing up. So I like Tesla for calls. I like Tesla for calls. So I just got in Tesla calls. First target on Tesla is going to be right here. So we have right here at that 203 303.94 level. That's going to be the first area right there. There we go. So up 20% on Tesla right now, 30%, 38%, 40% on Tesla. Here we go. Make sure you're taking some type of profit, guys. 50% on Tesla, 53%. Oh, man. Make sure you're trimming something, guys. You should be up on Tesla so far. We should be up
Yeah,
on Tesla.
I got in late and I'm over 30 something percent because my computer was acting up. Did, did you guys take profit? Because we was for sure over 40 something percent.
Yeah, make sure you're taking profit, guys. Make sure you're taking profit. That profit just now was over 50%. Okay. Right now, I'm still up 37%. But all I'm saying is make sure you're trimming your contracts. That's all I'm saying. Make sure you're trimming on your contracts. Up 47% now on Tesla. Nice push right here. Up 56% on Tesla. Let's see here on the lower time frame what we're looking at. All right, so we might have some type of rejection right here, okay? We have the 200 EMA right here. So we might have some type of rejection at 207, 307.81, okay? So pay attention to right here. We might have some rejection right there.
This was a good one, straight out the gate.
Everyone should be profitable right now. Now let's see where it hit. It hit 305. So 305 is a psych level, but this is the first 5 minutes. Okay, so the first 5 minutes about to end. So we got the next 5 minutes about to come in, right? Right now, like I said, the 200 is right here on the 15 minute. The good thing is we're starting above. Expect some kind of pullback, some kind of reaction right here off that level. Okay, we're already hit the first target, so we're hitting first target on as far as the daily. Okay, so let me.
No FOMO, guys.
We're hitting first target as far as the daily, which is right here. That's the first target. Then we have the gap to fill, which is up here, right? Which on the day, you're looking at 315. Okay. So on the day, you're looking at 315. That's the next gap to fill. If you go on the 15 minute, if you notice the sell level or the sell pressure is right up here, but we have this 200 that most likely it will respect at some point. Now we haven't touched the 200 in a good minute. We're approaching that 200 right now. I can't see, but let me just go right here and see when is the last time it actually touched the 200. All right, so we're approaching the 200 right now. We haven't hit that 200 in 192 bars. Okay, so we're gonna most likely hit that 200. We're approaching it right now. I know I kind of squint in a little bit, but this is where it's at right here. That's gonna be our next level. Okay, 307.89 is gonna be our next level. We're approaching that target right now. That's gonna be our second target, guys. So right now we're up 65% on these contracts.
Nice one. Nice one. This is what happens when you do your homework the night before.
Yep. Yep. Exactly the point, right? So right now we're looking good. Yeah, I forgot to do that. All right, we got 2 minutes left in this 5 minute candle. Want to see that push right here, guys. Want to see that? There we go. There we go. There we go. Up 75%, 80%. All right, we cooking, guys. We cooking. Make sure you're taking some type of profit. Make sure you're scaling out your contracts, okay? Make sure you're scaling out your contracts. Up 90%. We're approaching second target. We might see a reaction right here. Okay? We're about to hit target, second target, up 100% on these. Up 100%. We have 49 seconds left in this candle.
All right, guys, make sure you're taking profit.
Make sure you're taking profit, guys.
Pretty much target hit. So we got other levels, but scale out if you haven't already.
All right, so I just sold my contracts right here. I may regret it. I promise you, I may regret it, but it's okay. I'm happy with 100%.
I mean, what can 100% do for you guys? You know, you can go enjoy your day.
I'm happy with 100%. So there's a pullback that's happening right now.
VIP in the Discord, let us know. How did you do today? Was the call out good for you today? Guys, if you're not part of our Discord, make sure you go over to Married to the Market Discord where we do the live call outs, right? We do offer mentorship just as well. So you can get in on these plays with us.
I don't even want to trade no more.
Right? That was a good play in its own. I think that's enough for the day.
I don't even want to
But
trade
that's
no
what we
more.
talk about, guys. We honestly, because we trade as a married couple. That's why we invite all the married couples to come and trade with us. Because one, we hold each other accountable.
I don't even want to
Two,
trade no
we
more.
do the homework. We make sure everything is done. But if he's done for the day, you done for the day. We don't. The whole purpose of us trading is not to be at the computer all day. If you can
Guys,
get in, get 100%.
do y'all understand the power of what just happened? I'm not sure if y'all understand the power of what just happened. So I'm gonna explain it a little bit. In 10 minutes, the market opened and we did 100% in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
But you know what,
Okay.
that I want to tell you guys, it's important for you to get on the calls on time
Yeah.
also, so you can make sure. And at the end of the day, you guys are watching these charts just as well, so you know how to take a trade without us telling you. But I'm just saying it's important for you to be on the calls on time so you can capture these moves just as well. And I don't want nobody being afraid. Like, you need to step out, you need to pull the trigger if you're new and if you haven't taken your first trade or not. But come on over.
Like I think Tesla might run a little bit more, but hey, I'm good with my profit. Like I said, Tesla, the next level we're hitting, guys. If you look at my line is right here. Okay, it touched my line perfectly. Okay, the reason why I have and now okay, I feel like I'm about to go in a teaching moment. So teaching moment right now. So teaching moment right now. Let's go to the 15-minute candle. If you look at the 15-minute candle, we are hitting that 200 EMA. Okay, our 200 MA. I think this is a MA for me, right? That means that it's gonna respect it. Now it can blow past it, but it haven't hit it in 190 days. Now let me put that on the full screen so you could actually see what I'm talking about. If you zoom out, right? When you zoom out right here, the reason why I say all right, the first target is gonna be the 200 because the last time it hit the 200 was right here, and that is on June 26th is the last time it touched the 200 EMA. So with a 200 EMA, it's the average of 200 bars. Okay. So how many bars was that the last time it hit it? Well, 222. So it was due to hit that 200 MA, right? It was due to hit that. So that's my first target. Now it haven't hit it in a while, so we know it was gonna hit it, right? So that was my second target. My first target was on the day. Once it broke, we know that all right, we have the reversal to the upside. Now Tesla can definitely push. The first target once it broke, I talked about this. Once it broke right here, my first target is right here, which is the previous day high after it break here. My next target was you have to look at your lower time frame. So the lower time frames, now when you go on the lower time frames, you see, okay, the 200 EMA is right there. So it's gonna respect that, which it went up, touch it, and now it's playing around. Okay. Not saying that it can't go above that, but right now I looked at the 5 minute and then we see, okay, we're above the 200 and the 5 minute. We're above the huh?
Yeah.
We gapped up, which I don't really like playing gap ups, but with Tesla, I'm like, all right, I know the target, the first target was right here, right? Followed by the second target. Now, this what's happening right now, we are above EMA on the 5, right? And then on the 15 minute, we're above EMA as well. But with this happening, there's two things why I took Tesla calls. Okay. I posted in the chat, in the VIP chat, and I said, hey guys, news came out and the news for unemployment was positive. So that means that I'm expecting the market to run, but I want a pullback first. Now, SPY's looking lovely. I haven't touched SPY yet. Okay. SPY's looking lovely because SPY's already pulling back, which I want to see. But by the end of the day, we should be pushing up or something. So right now, when I saw that we break above the day candle, then I know I'm going in Tesla. My first target, like I said, look on the day, my first target was right here. My second target, which is the 200 EMA, we might have a pullback and we might fall. Okay. We might have a pullback and we might fall. Now, the third target is going to be the 200 MA on the daily. Okay. That's the next target. Okay. That's also where the gap fills. Okay. We had a gap right here. So price had gap down from right here to down here. Price gap down and created this gap, that box. So gap means price close right here. It gap all the way down here and then come back up, close right here. So this has been playing within the gap. The gap closes up here, right? So in a sense, we might see that gap close, but it might not close today. But the good thing is we took our profit at 100%. All right. So that's the good thing. Now, going to SPY already pulled back on the day. Let me make sure. So what I wanted to see from SPY was a pullback on the day. So you see SPY already pulled back. So I'm loving the fact that SPY already pulled back for the day. Okay. Once it pulled back for the day, I'm waiting for it to break previous day. Okay. Which is what, 70 cents away. You can wait for that to break, or you could look at the 15-minute chart and you say, okay, 15-minute chart already ended. And we're waiting right now to see what happened. Okay. I would love to see an inside bar. So I want price to play around, which it might play around for the next 15 minutes. You want to see that consolidation within the next 15 minutes. A consolidation within this candle for the next 15 minutes is perfect setup to the upside. So now a break of this candle to the upside, and then we know, all right, it's a go, right? Now, I would rather it break the daily to confirm a more bigger move as far as that. But I'm anticipating SPY to move up today.
But you
Okay.
can also put in a tester on
Yeah.
this.
So
So if it does consolidate here and we stay as a one, we can put in a tester and then you can, throw your bag after it breaks the daily. But if
Yeah.
you just wanted to get in a little bit earlier, I
Yeah.
would just put a little tester in it.
Now, the perfect setup will be if it comes down here and hit the 50. If it come down here and hit the 50 and we see some type of reversal on the 15-minute or on the 5-minute to the upside, then that's when you would buy. That's when I would put in the tester right there, because at that point I'm getting it even lower.
Mm-hmm.
So I like when it come down. I like when setups hit 50, the 50% line. So the 50% line is right here. I would love for it to come down, hit that 50%, which is on the day. Okay. This 50% is on the day. Now look where the 50% is. It's right at the body,
Yeah,
almost at the
perfect.
body.
Yeah.
So the body of the candles are normally support and resistance levels. Okay. So when we come down, which we're falling right now, so SPY, in a sense, if somebody was playing a breakout
Yeah.
session, they will be playing puts right now. Okay. I am not buying nothing.
He's like,
I,
I am good for the
I am
day.
not buying nothing. So, in a sense, guys, if you came in and you came in late, then this is not a trade that I'm comfortable with taking. We probably will drop down here. We probably can, but because of the news and I see what the news says, I'm looking more. I'm biased. I'm being biased towards the upside.
Y'all know how I am. Play what the market gives
Play what the market
you.
gives you, right? Play what the market gives you. In this sense, now, am I seeing certain things right here? Yes. I'm seeing certain things right here. We have, in a sense, where is it? We have what's called, and it's not necessarily, right? It's the same area of price, right? But you have kind of like a divergence, in a sense, a bearish divergence set up on the 15-minute. So we can pull back, but I'm looking for the pullback. Okay. What happens right now is I'm looking for the pullback. Worst, in any situation, if you have the 15-minute that happens, if this 15-minute ends like this and the new 15-minute candle come in and break right here, that will be a tester for a call. Okay. That will be a tester for a call, and your stop loss will be here. So if we play within this range right now, if we play within this range right now, and price stays within this range, the new 15-minute candle comes in and it break this high, then at that point, you'll put a tester in for a call. The confirmation for the call is going to be the break of the day high, okay, which is not far. The break of the day high is right up here. It's not far. It's $1. So if you want to be patient, then be patient. Right now, if you look right here, we have right here where there's this candle right here, but it would be nice if it come down and hit the 50% line. Right now, we're chilling. Let's see. Tesla pull back. So if you notice, Tesla is pulling back.
So you guys
See
just
that?
got out. Perfect timing.
See
You see
that?
how strong that 200 is?
We could have shorted Tesla,
Yeah, but
but
I'm
I'm
not
not.
chasing.
But I'm not shorting. But
And
this
we're
is where I
good.
say rejection. Right. This is where I said rejection levels is right here.
Y'all, if I wasn't sitting here, he probably would have shorted it. I know him.
No, I wouldn't have. I wouldn't have. Like literally, I'm like, no, I wouldn't have.
Because I'd be in the back of his head. Listen, when you trade as a married couple, you be thinking like, damn, what's that person about to say to me right
Yeah,
now?
yeah. Sometimes I do though.
Because when I'm not here, when I have my treatments,
Yeah, when she have her treatments, I'd be like, yo, what would my wife be saying right
and
now
I
if I
and I
enter
know I'll
this
be
trade?
in your head.
I'd be
Like,
like, yo, all
still
right.
out.
I'd be like, yo, all right, we're in profit. We're in profit. We're above this. She'll be like, yo, shit. She will already have her profit already set. So um I was looking at snow to the upside, but snow is also falling. Not
That's
snow,
no
shop.
shop.
So shop just broke literally.
Did it? Not, not really. Where? It's
It
still
didn't.
one. It's still
Yeah,
inside. It hasn't
it's
really
still a
broke
one.
yet. Yet.
It hasn't broke yet.
It looked like it was close to break, but then it didn't.
Yeah,
So
this
keep
is
playing right now.
so this right here is a bullish Arami setup, but in a sense, it's breaking down to this side, right? I am not buying it right now. I'm not in it right now. Mm, yeah. I like shot to the upside. That's why I'm like, you gotta be patient, guys, with your trades. You gotta be patient with your trades. I looked at Microsoft, and with Microsoft, I think Microsoft should fall. Microsoft is at a level where it came up and it hit psych level. Psych level is 500. Microsoft should go back to probably like 475.
But 505 is psych too, so
Yeah.
it definitely hit that.
So if we break right here on Microsoft, did you put in an alert?
I think I did. Where's my paper? I think I did the other night, but it should have. Let me see it on weekly real quick.
On the weekly,
Let
it's
me just
not.
see.
It's not.
No, it wasn't
Well,
on.
on the weekly, it's bullish.
Yeah,
It broke
to
to
go
to
up,
go up.
but on
On the monthly, it broke to go
let me
up.
see if I
On the
did.
3 month, it broke to
I
go
mean,
up.
yeah, it is.
But on the daily, we're talking on the daily, this should, like, guys, there's certain things that you have to pay attention to. And the fact that when you see a stock goes to a certain level that it have not been there before, it should reject and pull back at some point. Okay, it should reject and pull back at some point. So let's say, for instance,
Hope everybody's able to see the screen today in the Discord. So hopefully everybody's capturing all this knowledge that he's dropping.
yeah, I go into
He loves
I go
teaching.
into teaching moments, guys, and this is the same thing that you would get. This is the same thing that you would get here, right? So if you look right here, look at what happens at 400. So at 400, price came at 400, close to 400, reject, drop back down. Came back up close to 400, came, dropped back down. Came to 400, and then it's not necessarily 400, right? It's 396, but it's close enough. That's what I'm talking about. So when it gets to that level, normally what happens is, if price keeps on rejecting right there, you normally will see a big move. You will see a gap up, or you'll just see a big move. You'll see some type of news. Something will line up with the charts to make it seem like, oh, shit, it just happened, right? So up here, 354, you see where it reject. It's at 350, right? It just break above that 350. So some people that was shorting at 350, they might not have enough time, and because they didn't have enough time, they might have lost on the contract. So in a sense, what you could do is, if you see Microsoft right here, right, you could do a long-term put. A long-term put could be anything like, 5 months out, 6 months out. It gives you time, and then let it fall. Now, what I would say is, just to be on the safe side, is put your stop loss right here. So your stop loss could be right here at the high. So you anticipate, if it breaks higher, we don't know where it could stop, because market could just keep on running. President could say some dumb shit, like all kind of stuff could happen. So you have to pay attention to that. Now, I wouldn't get into the put until I see a confirmed reversal. A confirmed reversal would be a break of this day, and a break of the day would confirm a bearish divergence, because we have higher highs. We have higher highs right here that's happening, and we have lower highs happening right here. Okay. So look for Microsoft to the downside if we break the day. Now, I don't think we're going to break the day this week or today, because the simple fact that we have positive news. What's going on with SPY? Because we have positive news. So we have 2 minutes before this candle ends, right? As far as the 15-minute setup, look at the 15-minute setup. If you notice, everything is setting back up to push to the upside, right? Because of the news that we have. Now we could possibly push up and then reject back down again, but For SPY right now, let's see how SPY looks. SPY's coming to the downside. So we're coming down to the 50 area. Um, QQQ definitely is dropping. Yeah, QQQ is definitely dropping on here. What is this? Oh, that was a good drop on QQQ. Did it break day low? No, did not break day low. It's looking to break day low. And guys, you have to remember too, we're at all time highs. Okay. So we have to be careful. We're at all time highs with these stocks. Again, on this right now, we have a bearish divergence setting up on QQQ, higher highs, and we have lower highs on the day. Okay. So that's a bearish divergence setup. For it to be bearish divergence, we have to break right here. We have to break this day. The bearish divergence will be confirmed and then we will drop. But on this, I would not recommend getting same day contracts. I would recommend you getting like a couple days out. Um, or not even say couple days out, but get like a week to 2 weeks contracts, even a month, right? Because you're playing this situation right here. Now, where would be your stop loss? Your stop loss will be the high. Okay. So if we break right here, your stop loss is going to be this high right here. So in case it breaks this high, then we know that it could push a lot more, and that will kill the bullish divergence. Right now, if we look at Tesla, Tesla is pulling all the way back in. Look at Tesla. Tesla dropped $4 since we got out. Tesla dropped $4 since we got out. So now it's a situation where with Tesla, a break above here, and then we know that we're gonna push more. Okay, so a break above that 307. Now Tesla, I mean Tesla is Tesla. Tesla is Tesla. Play what the charts give you. But in a sense, we're breaking back up and we still, yeah, we had gap down. So we gap down big time. Yeah, we had gap down big time. So we have a big gap right here. That's the gap. Oh, I forgot to label it. I forgot to label it. Guys, let me know in the chat if you took the Tesla if you took the Tesla play that we did earlier. Right now we're not in any trades right now.
Damien, he already put it. He's like, I just took profit. Thank you, George.
Yeah,
That was
so
earlier though, probably when it hit target.
okay.
That was like
Okay.
9:38. That was like 8 minutes into the market.
Yeah. Oh, my tea. Apple 2 reversal on the day. All right, let's see Apple. Apple is looking lovely to the upside. Why is it just going off? Oh,
It might be just
okay.
moved.
All right. So
I put that in last night.
Apple will be calls.
All right, y'all.
So let me see on a 15-minute. Let's just make sure. Yeah, Apple will be calls for today. Um,
If you guys are interested in this one, I know we said we weren't playing no more, but obviously my alert went off from last night.
damn it, man.
Gotta move fast. Let me see on a smaller time. I like to do from my entries. I need a lot real quick.
Let's see right here.
Can I see a 1 minute, please?
A 1 minute.
Thank you. For me.
Okay. All right. So I'm in Apple calls right now, guys.
Yeah.
Up 10% on Apple. Up 11% on Apple.
Again, imagine if you just take 10%. I mean, that's good too, but
20% on Apple right now, guys.
did you guys get in on that one?
What is this? 1 minute?
Oh, sorry. You can get off of that. Go back on your
Tripping me out.
thing.
We have a lot of sell pressure right here
So if you want to
with this
take the
15 minute.
10%, you can.
Let's see on the day.
Where you at, 20?
Yeah.
Still got some, 212.
212.50. On the day, on the day, the target
It's
on
not a
the,
hit
no. Well,
for this one
yeah,
right
but
here, but that was just a small level.
yeah. So on the day, target right now is going to be right here at 212, 212.68 for target, followed by 216.23. Actually, right here. So 215 and then 216.23.
This one right here was a good level as well. The wick of that. I was saying wick because if you notice, wick to wick matches.
Oh, right here.
See, that's why I say take scale out just now because I saw wick to wick. I don't play about levels. There you
Oh, sorry.
go. You know, you're putting lines on the chart.
Oh, I am?
Yes.
Oh,
So
shit.
go back. Undo. Press undo.
Uh,
Okay. All right. Also, you got to be quick in putting in your trades. When he says go, make sure you're quick on the trigger to
yeah, I was late on Apple, but I still got 20%.
So everybody's gonna trade a little different. I'm the type of person that I like to take profits at a certain level percentage, and then I always keep runners. If anyone has questions, make sure you drop it in the chat just as well. Ooh.
Let's see what SPY is doing. SPY is looking good.
Five actually below the 200 right now. I mean the VWAP, whatever am I talking about? Let me see what's going on. Let me check the chat.
If you guys did not take profit on Apple, right, make sure that you're keeping your stop loss. Um, I still think Apple should go back up, but if you did not take your profit on Apple, then the stop will be day low. Okay. We should not go down and break day low. If we go down and break day low, then it's going to be problems. Um, Day low is going to be right here. Now, to wait for day low to happen, that's going to be a significant hit. Okay. That's going to be a significant hit. But if you did not take profit at that 20%, then that's what it's going to be. Now, on SPY, right now, I think we have a reversal to the upside on SPY. Yeah, not necessarily, not yet. We have a reversal on the 5-minute, but we still can reject VWAP right here. SPY, we'd have to wait for the 15-minute. You have 4 minutes left on this. You have 4 minutes left on SPY. This is where they could have caught everybody that's thinking the market is going to drop in puts right here. Caught everybody taking puts and then run the market back up. Like I said, I'm based on the numbers, we should be green for the day. We should go green. Now, one thing I like to do is just like my wife said, we like to scale out of trades. Okay. So make sure you're scaling out of your trades. I leave runners for Apple. So, because again, I think Apple should push to the upside. We have 4 minutes left, 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. I want to see something to where on SPY. So this is the scenario I want on SPY. So I want us to close above VWAP. Okay. If we close a little bit above VWAP and then the next 15-minute candle comes in, and then we break above VWAP. We test VWAP right here, just bounce off of it and break this 15-minute. Then that will be a call to the upside because now we have the reversal on a bigger time frame. Right now we have a call on the 5-minute, but we're still right at VWAP. Okay, so a bigger reversal on the 15-minute is a stronger reversal. At that point, then my stop loss for SPY would be day low. Okay, so your stop loss would have to be day low right here. But you will take it to go up. If we come back down and break here, then we could drop lower. But I'm looking for the overall market to be green today. Runners I have on Apple are up 5%. Come on, SPY. Break above there. There we go. So just like I said, you want SPY to break above the VWAP. So it's above my VWAP right now. We close above VWAP, and then we have that little come down, a little retracement, and bounce right off of VWAP and break right here. We bounce right off of VWAP and break right here. We're going back to the upside, but you have to keep your stop loss right here. You have to keep your stop loss at day low. So there we go. We're above VWAP right here. Above VWAP, break it. So we just broke. So SPY will be a call right now. Man, I hate when that shit do that. Damn, didn't pick my order up. I just realized something too. My wife is right here and she didn't say nothing.
What?
Huh?
What? I wasn't paying attention. What happened?
Uh, because I should have been done.
Yes, you had two good trades already for the
Yeah, I
day.
should have been done. I just did a trade.
And okay, so let me explain to you
I
guys
just did
something,
a
right?
trade.
So we have rules, and I wasn't paying
I
attention. I'm
just
not
did
gonna
a
lie, I
trade
wasn't.
where
So we have three for the max for the day.
yeah.
Now, if we have two profitable trades, we're out. We go enjoy our day, whatnot. Usually, we keep that third one. Let's say something doesn't go as we anticipated, we still have the ability to play that third one. So he got away from me. You know what it was? Because he saw me doing something. I was a little distracted for a second. But hey, I'm gonna let him take his profit when it hits that line, and we're gonna be done for sure. We're not gonna take any more. And that's why I like trading with my husband. Again, for all the married people that are out there, it's really something that I think brings us closer together just as well. But we have to have a plan. You have to have a strategy when doing this together. But I just feel like we have the ability to talk to each other, make our money, spend time with our kids, and just have that lifestyle by reading charts. But it didn't just happen overnight. I'm never gonna sit here and act like, oh my God, this just happens overnight. It takes work, right? It takes dedication. It takes you showing up, learning, and trusting in yourself. Because if we could do it, you guys can do it just as well. So a lot of people may not know, but I had a kidney transplant. I deal with health situations. So this is a way for me to be able to be home with my family, with my kids. And look at that. You're making profits. Isn't it hitting your target?
Yeah, we're up on SPY.
See?
We're
And
up on SPY.
if you took SPY, you don't have to wait. Don't think because you took 100% on another
Yeah,
trade
you
that
don't
it's
need
going to be
to yeah.
100% again.
Yeah,
So
that's the thing. Like
if
don't
it's
be
10%, take it. It's hitting this line right now.
yeah,
I would say scale
we're up 10% on these. We're up 10% on these.
and
So,
be all right with it.
yeah. Um
And I know my husband, he like
yeah.
to hold.
Yeah,
You see
because
how I told
because
him to take his money, right?
yeah, cuz we up 17% right now. We're up 18%, up 20%.
Look at that. I'm happy for you. That's three call outs. I don't know. If y'all didn't take the trade today, I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all had three profitable trades today. It was your day. It was your day. So take your money, enjoy your day.
Guys, I mean, that's 3 profitable trades for the day. I
It
can't
really
I
is.
can't I can't say anything else. Right now my runners on Apple is up 17% on Apple. So my runners are up 17% on Apple right now.
And I want everybody to go enjoy their day. Thank you for making sure that we close it out. We got to hold each other accountable here. There's always that one person that just wants the whole to hold.
Always that one person, yo. Always that one person. Sometimes I could be that person, but at the end of the day, guys, make sure you cannot say you did not make money today. I gave 3 call outs. All 3 call outs hit a minimum of 20%. Apple hit 20%, Spy hit 20%, Tesla hit 100%. So
Actually,
anybody
over
that
100% Tesla hit.
yeah, anybody that took trades
Yeah.
today, you should be profitable. Okay? There's no sense of saying, all right, I didn't make any money today.
All before 10:30 in the morning. That's the type of day I like to see.
Yep. All right, guys. So with that said, that's it for the day. That's it for the day. We don't need to be doing anything else. There's no need of sitting here and
Y'all got to
and
wait
doing
on that
anything
last
else.
trade.
So with that, guys, enjoy the rest of your day and be blessed. All
Be
right.
blessed.
Talk to y'all and see y'all tomorrow morning. All right. Bye.